all, welcome to Happy Joy. So today we are going to talk about food packaging materials, how it protects the chemical, how it gives chemical protection, biological protection, and physical protection. First, we'll go for chemical protection. So chemical protection minimizes compositional changes triggered by environmental influence such as exposure to gas, typically oxygen, moisture, gain or loss, or light, visible, infrared, ultraviolet. Many different packaging material can provide a chemical barrier. So, how this food packaging materials gives protection against chemical environmental stress? There may be gases like oxygen, where this fat food can become oxidized due to oxygen. So, if you pack in a very good material, it will prevent oxygen and moisture gain or loss. Even the light may damage the pigment. Sorry for that. Light may even damage the color of the food materials. Overexposure to sunlight will damage the color of the product. Gas and metals provide a nearly absolute barrier to chemical and other environmental agencies. So, but few packagings are purely glass and materials since closure devices are added to facilitate both filling and emptying. So, these gas material, glass and metals will give a definite barrier to chemicals materials. Now, closure devices may contain materials that allow minimal level of permeability. For example, plastics caps may have some permeability to gases and various vapors. As to the gaslit material used in caps to facilitate closure and in metal candidates to allow sealing after filling. Plastic packaging offers a longer range of barrier properties, but it is generally more permeable than glass or metals. So from this, they're telling like plastic caps used in these bottles have some permeability to gases, where there may be some leakages, so that they are using gaslit materials to facilitate closure, which will not allow. In case of metals, they are allowing to seal after filling of the food materials. They'll seal properly so that there is no leakage of food particles. So plastic materials offers a long range of barrier properties, but not in case of gases. They permit gases. Next, we move on to biological protection. Provides a barrier to microorganisms, pathogens, and spoiling agencies, insects, rodents, and other animals. There are even preventing diseases and spoilage. In addition, biological barrier maintain conditions to control senses, ripening, and aging. So physical protection, like where it will protect pathogens and spoiling agencies to prevent contamination of the food, which will also prevent preventing of the diseases, where the salmonella will contaminate the food, which will cause food poisoning and all, can be prevented by using the food packaging materials. And it also has a barrier functions where it will multiplicity of mechanisms is prevented, including the access to the product, preventing order transmission, and maintaining the internal environment of the food packaging. Physical protection, which will give shields from the mechanical damage, including cushioning agents like the shock, vibration encountered during the disturbances. Typically developed from paperboards and concurrent materials, developed from the paperboards and corrugated materials. Physical barriers resist impacts, abrasions, and cushioning damages, so that they are widely used as shipping containers. And as a packaging for delicate foods such as eggs, fresh fruits, appropriate physical packaging also protects consumers from various hazards. Example, child resistance, closure hindrance, assist to the potential danger to the product. In addition, the substitution of plastic packaging for the product ranging from shampoo to soda bottles have reduced the danger from broken glass bottles. Thank you.